Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we have some exciting news for you OnePlus fans out there. Leaked renders of the highly anticipated OnePlus Nord 3 have surfaced, giving us a glimpse into its design and hinting at an imminent launch. In this video, we'll be diving into the leaked information and discussing the expected specifications of the OnePlus Nord 3. Let's get started. These renders, shared by German-based publication WinFuture, suggest that the OnePlus Nord 3 will soon make its debut in Europe. As you can see from the leaked renders, the OnePlus Nord 3 bears a striking resemblance to the OnePlus Ace 2V, a smartphone currently available exclusively in China. The rear of the device features a dual camera setup, while the front sports a punch-hole display. The leaked renders also reveal that the OnePlus Nord 3 will be available in two color options, black and green. Although these renders are not official, they align with previous leaks and rumors, supporting the idea that the OnePlus Nord 3 might be a rebranded OnePlus Ace 2V. Now, let's move on to the expected specifications of the OnePlus Nord 3. While we can't confirm these specifications just yet, they provide us with some insight into what we can expect from this highly anticipated device. The OnePlus Nord 3 is rumored to boast a 6.74-inch 1.5K AMOLED display with a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring an immersive viewing experience. Powering this device, we can anticipate the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 SoC, which is expected to deliver impressive performance and efficiency. In terms of memory and storage, the OnePlus Nord 3 is likely to come in two variants. The first variant is expected to offer 8GB of RAM paired with 128GB of storage, while the second variant might come with 12GB or even 16GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. This should provide users with ample space for their apps, media, and files. Moving on to the cameras, the OnePlus Nord 3 is rumored to feature a triple rear camera setup. The primary camera is expected to be a 50-megapixel sensor, accompanied by an 8-megapixel secondary lens and a 2-megapixel third sensor. For all you selfie enthusiasts out there, the OnePlus Nord 3 could house a 16-megapixel front-facing camera, ensuring you capture your best moments with ease. Last but not least, let's talk about the battery. The OnePlus Nord 3 is said to come equipped with a substantial 5000 mAh battery, which should easily last you through a day of intensive usage. Additionally, it is rumored to support blazing fast 80-watt fast charging, allowing you to quickly top up your device and get back to using it in no time. And that's a wrap. Based on the leaked renders and rumored specifications, the OnePlus Nord 3 seems to be an exciting addition to the OnePlus lineup. With its sleek design, powerful performance, and impressive camera capabilities, it's definitely a device worth keeping an eye on. As always, we'll keep you updated with the latest information.